This is where my Jibaro inspired mermaid is now. And these are my trashy fingernails. And yeah, sorry about that. Also, you might wonder where the light source is coming from on this. It's coming from mythology. I'm making it up, taking my best guess because I don't have a reference for this. Not really. So, yeah, it's mythological lighting. Pretty industry standard for mermaids. Not really. Not really. Hello, it's Rachel of Rachel Gets Creative. Welcome to my channel, welcome to my video. And she gold. I think I'm doing okay. The trick with gold is to be sure you go to the dark side so that you can have just a little bit of light and it shines dramatically and therefore translates into the look of gold. So I'm doing okay. I was making her for hashtag Mermaid. I think I will be also making her for hashtag May June, which I don't think is a thing. She's complicated. She complicated, kitty. But I do like where she's going so far. So I just want to check in and say hello. And I'm not sure what's going to happen next in the video. It's okay, kitty. It's just a gator. I'm okay. Maybe this is it. Maybe that's it. So that is it for today. And I want to say I love you. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you so much and have a wonderful day. Talk to you later. Bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye.